Okay. Today's the final day for Webdev 1. And then if you guys want to sign up for Webdev 2, the link should be on the send. So Webdev 2, it's about JavaScript and interactivity on your web pages. The course resumes Monday, July 14th, and you're gonna learn how to integrate JavaScript into your websites. This is the website. I'll put it in Zoom chat. Should be on the system also. Uh, and here's some stuff we have to specify. So the phone number field on the sign up page is a little broken. It's going to take you to a separate page that where you're going to enter your phone number. So your course registration is still going to go through. It's just that your phone number won't work. Here's what it's going to look like. It's going to say this value should not be blank, and it won't let you enter it, but just click save, and it's still gonna go through. Okay, here's how you submit your final project. So here's your sandbox program. It's going to be named something else like final project. You're gonna have multiple files here, and then um, your final site's gonna be on the right side. Right next to the save button, you should see a button to share your project. You're gonna click that button, and in the share tab, it should show two buttons. There's gonna be a public and a show code. You want to click show code. Public is gonna allow people to see your website but not see the code, and we need to be able to see your code to verify you're not using ChatGPT. So just click show code and then copy this link to your website. And then on the system, there's going to be this Google Doc, or not Google Doc, Google Form. So just submit your name, parent name, all of these things, and then the link to your sandbox should be right here. Make sure to use shell code. Okay. Yeah, the link should be, whoops, there. Yeah, it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna have the link to your CodeJS code. Let me show you how to see that in CodeJS. So imagine this is your sandbox, and this is your final project. You're gonna click save on your project. You're gonna click share, and then instead of having public and show code, just only have show code because this is gonna be the actual link that lets you see the code. So just copy this link and then put it in the form where it says to paste your link. Yeah, so the slides are not due today. They're due um here, it's not here. Should be on system. They're due on Saturday at 11:59 CST. You're gonna have to convert that to whatever time you're on. Um, but you still have time. You have basically today and tomorrow. Uh, your parents' name, I think that's because that's how you signed up. So we need to link your um sign up to the form. Yeah, so your final site is gonna be it's gonna be the site that you made yesterday or you worked on yesterday. It's just gonna be a site on whatever you want, whatever topic, but it has to incorporate whatever we learned in this class, both the HTML and the CSS. So your file, your CodeHS link actually it includes all of the files. Your next HTML is gonna be a homepage, but it's gonna include everything. So you only have to copy this one link, and it's gonna link your entire project. Yeah, if you're creating your project, if you still haven't done that yet, you go to your sandbox, you name your project, create program, and then click HTML, and there should be create program at the bottom. Okay, for some reason it's not loading for me. Um, okay, I think it must be down or something. The link should also be in the chat though. And then it's due Saturday, 11:59. So by the end of the day. If I don't finish it, um, so just try to submit, uh, before the due date. And then if you aren't finished, just submit whatever you have. It doesn't matter what it is. We're not like grading it or anything. It just, whatever project we think has, showcases best what we learned, we're gonna put that on the website. But it's not graded or anything. Okay, yeah, so WebDev 2, it's right here. It's stonebridge.com/JavaScript. Let me also continue this. Okay, after you submit, here's how you get the certificate. So this should be what your system looks like. You're gonna have all your days and then your class information. On every single day, you want to click mark as complete. And then also on CodeHS, calendar, and Zoom Link in your class information, you have to mark those as complete too. So everything should have a check mark at the left. And then if you do that and then you go back to the homepage, you should see 100% on your class. If it says 100% and you click resume, then you should be able to download your certificate. Yep, and that's it. So make sure to submit your project on Saturday or by Saturday, and then also do this. Okay, let me try to fix. Can you sign up later? The class starts on Monday, so just sign up before that. Yeah, just have most of the stuff that we learned in the course in the website. When does it start? Yeah, it's Monday, July 14th. It's same timings. Yeah, tomorrow 11:59. Uh, Here, let me find the Google form. I don't know why the system is not working. I think that's just my side though. Uh, if you're submitting your site, I don't know what you mean by this. In the WhatsApp group, yeah. Or I'll send it on, yeah, WhatsApp. Yeah, just send this form again if you're not sure that you sent it already. You get the certificate after you finish the system, so I don't think it has anything to do with your project. Yeah, so just go in the system and mark everything as complete. And then I think that should be everything today. And then if you want to sign up for the class, you can sign up uh, here. It's going to start back on Monday. Yeah, if you finish the system, you get to download the certificate as soon as you complete it. Okay. You can ask any other questions on Discord. You finish. Oh yeah, so we're having a lot of people saying they finished the system but they didn't get the certificate. Uh, I don't know what's going on with that. Can you like send a screenshot of your course on Discord? Okay, I think that should be it.